Well, if you didn't notice, I went shopping. And now this all has to come out because it's completely in my way. All right, had to shift my plans. Still can't get my rear door done. The saga continues with the rear door. I don't want to get into it. It's frustrating. But progress has to happen, so the hell with the rear door. I'm just going to rip this door out and build a temporary door if I have to. I'll make one out of plywood. I have some. I'll make a custom door. It'll hold me for a couple of weeks until my door can get done. That will allow me to finish framing and insulating. So time to get at it. This stuff's got to get out of here. I need an easy button. Oh, I've got one. Hold on. Poof, there you go. So it's out. Well, not all of it. This is actually my door material. Didn't have any room for it, so I think I'm going to leave it here. I got a little protective sheet on top of it. A couple more things will come out. But let's get to work. Let's start stripping this thing and taking that door out. Here we go. My temporary door material. All right, apologize for the light. It's early morning. It'll take a little while. It'll come in. But it's the best I can do right now. So we're going to pull this door out. I actually have everything I need to make temporary doors that are just going to open in, and I'll just run a chain through the holes and something, I don't know yet, but that'll work. Just to keep things from being interesting, like, you know, stuff flying out the truck when I didn't want it to. So the first thing I got to do is there's a spring for the roll up here. You got to take it out. It's under tension. You need a couple of rods. So my fabricator loaned me a couple of rods. You know, I didn't find any videos on how to take these things out. I did find videos on how to install them, so I'm just going to reverse that. Search YouTube, you'll find them. No sense in me duplicating that for you. So let me take this out. All right, still going at the framing here. Have a new problem. If I haven't told you, I had to shift all my solar panels back. 17-foot box, but I lose 2 feet because of the curve in the front of this thing, because it's an aero cell. So my solar panels, pretty beefy. You'll see that soon enough, hopefully, sooner than I might expect. But that comes out to, well, they're about over 400 watt solar panels I'm looking at. And yeah, I'm gonna put a bunch of them up there. So they're bigger, and 3 of them side by side take up about 10 feet. So 10 feet is the first 5 ribs. And so that brings me back to my solar panels basically come to about here. This is where my skylight was gonna go. So now my skylight needs to move here. Now this would have been awesome. This would have been the head of my bed. Would have been able to look up through the skylight at night, or watch it snow, watch it rain, all that cool stuff. Now I'm just gonna have to do it from here. I'm gonna have to watch out at an angle, which maybe that'll be more comfortable, more pleasant. I don't know. My downside is the width of this bay and the width of that bay are not the same by 1/8 of an inch. And now this is too big. So I get the fun, I think the only thing I've come up with is to take it all apart, shave it down, screw it all back together for a lousy 1/8 of an inch. Not happy, but I just really have to take off one side here and slide that all back. But anyways, that's what I'm gonna do. I have all my metal frame cut, some of it just held in place and stuck in here. When I get this all done, and it warms up a little bit, it's kind of chilly right now, gonna glue it all and screw it all in, and that'll have us on the right path for finishing this thing. Progress. We keep on moving forward. Let me show you what I've done. I don't know if you can even see it. Getting kind of dark in here, but all the ceiling's been insulated. It's all up, and now I got all this I got to take out. I had to do that because I had to do the floor along there before I can put the panels up, and I need to cut all that out before I put those side panels up. But right here are all my side panels already cut, ready to go. So today's big last push is to finish this thing. Light's going to change in here. I'm sorry. It gets wow, it gets dark fast, doesn't it? So that's where I'm at. Exciting. And then so the insulation gets done. This is just too dark in here. Maybe that works better. So insulation gets done today. I think I got a break. I don't know what I'm going to do Tuesday. But Wednesday I go in for my rear door. So I'm excited for that. Get my rear door done. So here we go. Another week wrapped up. I'm on to the next project now that we've got all my insulation in and mostly trimmed out, all my framing. I'm excited to get through those major hurdles. They're kind of a slow part of the process. I don't know, maybe stuff will speed up now, I don't know. I'm on to the rear door. That's important for me, and we'll get that started here. You'll see that in next week's video. I hope you like something in this. Hope you find some entertainment in it. I am working on trying to make my videos a little bit better quality, a little bit more entertaining, and I'm learning how to do that at the same time as I'm learning how to do this. So fun. I really have a whole new level of appreciation for all these van build videos I've seen. You guys are awesome. You'll be able to do such quality videos and learn how to do a van build at the same time. Impressive. Well, that's where I'm at. Hit subscribe if you want to see more. The real trick stuff starts here pretty soon. My rear door is my first one. I think I got, like I said earlier on, if you saw my other videos, I've got, I think, 20 different things I'm doing that I don't see in too many vans. Obviously some of it I can do because I'm in a big box van, so I have an advantage. But please hit subscribe and follow me along this journey. Feel free to comment. I really appreciate any advice anybody has that's gone down this road before. And thanks again. Have a great day.